metformin, biguanide group, and dipeptidase 4 inhibitor story. Metformin, biguanide group. Metformin is unambiguously the initial line therapy in patients with kind 2 diabetes. It actually belongs to the biguanide group of drugs and performs by elevating hepatic insulin sensitivity. Metformin is actually the most widely prescribed initial line factor for the management of kind 2 diabetes and as well is standard initial line pharmacotherapy together with exercise and diet. Dipeptidase 4 inhibitor story. Dipeptidase 4 inhibitor quickly deactivates and cleaves the incretin hormones GIP, glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide, and as well GLP-1, glucagon-like peptide 1. Saxagliptin is a strong selective dipeptidase 4 inhibitor, particularly designed for prolonged forbearance of the enzyme, DPP4. In preservation with the procedure of saxagliptin action, the extension of saxagliptin to metformin medicine did not elevate the occurrence of hypoglycemia condition versus that with metformin medicine alone, which is connected as usage of dipeptidase 4 inhibitors in collection regimens becomes more possible. The occurrence of microvascular problems from diabetes disease has been manifested to be meaningfully decreased with each 1% lowering in A1C. Therefore, it is logical to propose that saxagliptin medicine added to metformin treatment would produce clinical advantages in expressions of risk decrease.